I'm the trustee of my siblings' Spendthrift Trust due to their history of drug use and financial mistakes. Can they contest it? Also, am I required to disclose the trust's balance, or are these trusts ironclad?
Anyone can contest anything. So yes, they could hire an attorney, file a petition to contest the terms of the trust. That doesn't necessarily mean that they will succeed. I cannot tell you if the trust is ironclad without actually reviewing the language of the trust, but generally a spendthrift provision is very difficult to undo in court, and those terms would be held up. And whether you have to disclose the trust balance or the assets of the trust, as a trustee, you have a fiduciary duty to the beneficiaries, and you have to make sure they are reasonably informed about the assets and how those assets are managed. But if you are absolutely certain that providing that information to the beneficiaries would cause those assets to become vulnerable to creditors or vulnerable to undue influence, which is the whole point of the Spendthrift Trust, to avoid that vulnerability, then you can withhold that information. But to protect yourself and guarantee that you're doing the right thing, I recommend filing a petition with the court to basically have the court agree with you and create an order stating that you do not need to disclose this information because it would have negative impacts that are contradictory to the original intent of the trust.